The stages of retirement theory was developed by Robert Ashley. This theory consists of 6 stages and illustrates how a potential retiree may behave from the moment they begin to think about retirement to well into their actual retirement lifestyle. Ashley's basic premise is that retirement is not only a significant lifestyle, but it also involves assuming a new role in life. The first stage, stage 1, is called pre-retirement. This stage may begin in early middle age and involves the potential retiree initially thinking about and planning for retirement. Stage 2 is called the honeymoon stage. In this stage, the retiree is no longer employed, and the newbie retiree begins to enjoy the freedom of not working and may start acting like they're on a permanent vacation. This may involve spending more time pursuing hobbies, travelling, doing leisure activities, resting and relaxing, roaming the internet, and all the many activities that they never had time to do while they were working. The honeymoon stage period may last a few weeks or a few years. Keep in mind that this stage is just a transitionary stage. Stage 3 is the disenchantment stage. In this stage, the retiree may experience a letdown, emptiness, boredom, or a feeling that something may be missing in their actual retirement lifestyle. Disenchantment can also occur if there is a significant or anticipated change in the actual retirement lifestyle. A retiree may eventually go on to the next stage of retirement, reorientation, which is stage 4, or escape from stage 3, disenchantment, by terminating their retirement and going back to work. Stage 4, the next stage, is reorientation. This is a stage when the retiree starts to understand what the retirement lifestyle is really about and begins to accept their actual retirement lifestyle stations, which may be different, better or worse, from their anticipated retirement lifestyle. The retiree may then evolve from this retirement stage into stage 5, retirement routine, or elect to escape from retirement by moving to stage 6, which is the termination of retirement and going back to work. Stage 5 is called the retirement routine stage. This is when the retiree discovers their retirement sense of purpose and develops a retirement routine. This stage of retirement can last for many years. If the retiree is unable to find their retirement sense of purpose, they may not develop a retirement routine and may revert back to stage 3, disenchantment, or elect to move into stage 6, termination retirement. Stage 6 is the final stage and is called the termination of retirement stage. This is a stage when the retiree terminates the retirement lifestyle by either going back to work because they're experiencing an unsatisfactory retirement, or moving into the guided phase of retirement due to health problems, or they may expire. Some retirees suggested that a critical success factor in achieving their anticipated retirement lifestyle was how the potential retiree made the transition from stage 1, pre-retirement planning, when they were still working, to stage 2, the honeymoon stage, when they were properly retired. The success of this transition often determined how fast and how successful the retiree was in achieving their anticipated retirement. This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.